Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
One.
This simultaneous oneness and difference always exists in the relationship between the living entities and the Supreme
Now this
Soul.
simultaneously one and different. Just take the same example, land. Somebody say, oh, I saw that portion is water. And somebody say, no, I saw that some portion is land. So simultaneously one and different. Simultaneously one and different. Our position is, because we are spirit soul, and Krishna or God is spirit, He is whole spirit, and I am a particle of that spirit. Just like sun, the sun glow and the sun shine, molecules are shining, particles, they are also sunlight. The combination of those atomic particles of sunshine giving us the sunshine rays. So, we are also shining, just like the particles of this sun glow. But we are not equal to the complete sun. The glowing particles, molecules of the sunshine is not equal in quantity with the sun glow, but in quality it is the same. Similarly, we living entities, we are minute particles of that Supreme Spirit Soul, Krishna or God. Therefore, we are also shining. We are of the same quality. Just a small particle of gold is gold. It is not iron. Similarly, we are Spirit Soul, therefore we are one. But because I am minute, just like the same example, the marginal portion being very small, it is being sometimes covered by the water. But the large portion of the land, that is without any water. Similarly, Maya can cover the minute particles of the Spirit Soul. But Maya cannot cover the Supreme Whole. Just like the same example, the sky, the sunshine. The sunshine, portion of the sunshine is covered by cloud. But if you go by aeroplane, jet plane, above the cloud, you will find the sunshine is without any cloud. The cloud cannot cover the whole sun. Similarly, Maya cannot cover the Supreme Whole. Maya can cover the small particles of Brahma. The theory that, the Mayavad theory, that I am now covered by Maya, as soon as I am uncovered, I become one with the whole. We are one with the whole in the same way. Just like the sunshine and the sun glow. There is no difference in quality. Wherever there is sun, there is sunshine. But the small particles, the molecules of the sunshine are never equal to the complete glow of sun. That is being described by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in this chapter.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare